How to accept someone into your Roblox group. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to accept someone into your Roblox group. So it's a simple process, so follow the steps. You can use the Roblox app on your phone or the browser, whichever you prefer. And if you're using your mobile app, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner after logging in, and then select the chat. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. You will see the option of members, and if there are any requests sent to your group, you will see the request tab as well. As I do not have any request, the option is not available, but you will find the request tab. Simply click on it to see the pending join request. And here you can accept or decline each request. So I hope this helped you learn how to accept members into your Roblox group. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.